So now our spark plug is removed successfully. Myself Saurabh. Today we have our bike Extreme Sports. What happened is today our spark plug is broken like this. Our bike. So what to do? First we have to remove this portion of our plug. So simply what to do? Take this type of screwdriver, then put this here, then put this here and simply push it like this. Then you can rotate this like this, then you can rotate this. Simply rotate this. Simply rotate this. Simply rotate this. Simply rotate this screwdriver. Like this. Then you can remove this. You can remove like this. I have this Hero Extreme Sports, so you can remove like this. Like this. See. So now our spark plug is removed successfully. So guys, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you.